Welcome to Manual Graphic Design. In today's video, we'll be making another birthday flyer design, and this time around we'll be very quick about it. Alright, so today we'll be making a birthday flyer today for a male client. Alright, we are going to use an Instagram background size, which is 1080 by 1350. Alright, so 1350, which is by ratio 4 by 5. Alright, so now we're going to import the background and import the necessary images and the celebrants. So we have one and we have two. So this is our handsome celebrant. Let's increase this a bit. Take this down a little. And lock the both of them. So if you're new to this channel and you have not done the necessary rituals by subscribing and turning on the notification bell to see more videos like this, then you are making a big mistake. You are making a big mistake. Please do that right away. So now we are going to import shapes. We are going to use shape to build a floor for it. Alright, we're going to build a floor for this design. Increase the radius by 25, decrease the opacity by 0, and tada. Now let's change the color to ash, or use our color picker. Click on this plus icon. Use our color picker. This is our color picker. Click on it. Pick one of the colors here. I think this is good. Bring it down a bit. I think this is good. Take it down here. We still need to make it lighter though. Let's okay. I think this is good. So keep it here. Take it to the back of this one. Bring this to the front of it. Okay. Bring this to the front of it. Take this. Hold on. Okay, I think this is good already. So now we are going to create a shadow that will make it look real. Alright, let's create a shadow for it. A shadow. Let's bring this one closer. Okay. Import another shape. Increase the radius by 100, decrease by 0. Increase stroke by 40. And increase radius by 25. So now what next? We are going to bring this closer and good. I think this is cool here. Take it down a little and take it to the back of the man. Right, take it to the back of the man. Now we are going to align it and decrease the opacity to 81. Okay, I think 81 is good. Let's still work on it. Good. I think we have it. the way you want it now. Now what next? Pin and pin. Alright, now what do we do next? Official color grids. Let's import our font. Alright, let's import our fonts. Sorry about that. Official. Let's work with this first of all. Alright, increase, bring it here, and use any font that is going to sit well with the design. Right, let's go to our recent and check orthography. I think we're going to use orthography because orthography was the one I used for its. Change the color to, let's check. Can you see the code for this color? This is the code for this color, hashtag 181818. Alright, so this is the code for it, and we are going to check. Increase a little more and do justice. So now we are going to add a 3D to it. I'm going to add a 3D to it. Take this down, change the color to gray, and increase a little. And that is that for this one. I think the color is too deep. Let's use the color picker and pick the color from the background. I think this is good. Okay, this time around we have hashtag 212829. So let's leave it this way. This looks better. Alright, now we're going to import another shape. We have to be quick with this. Import another shape. Here we're going to add his name. His name. Change the color. Let's bring in the design and see the color of this shape here. Color of this shape here. Alright. Close. Color of the shape. Now we're going to pick from the design already, since we have the design here. This is the color of the shape. Hashtag 3E blah 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 and blah. So we're going to add a 3D to the shape. Turn off the lightning so that it won't break later. I think we need to turn off this lightning too so that it will not disturb us later. Sometimes the lightning causes the design to break. So we have our design as this 3D shape, and you turn and give it a gray color. Alright, so now we are going to write color grids. Color grids. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, for others to see the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, use Bonveno, turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment your thoughts, share the video. Bring this closer a little. Good. So this is Ola Great. Now we are going to add happy birthday. Happy this time around we are going to use black font. This is our black font. What font should we use? Fractal medium. Alright, now we add. Now, like I said in my previous video, you will not add more than 3 fonts. You will not add more than 3 fonts. Alright, so this is my third font for this. Decrease it again. Make it sit well in that circle. Now we have happy birthday, Ola official. Now let's import the dates. The date is I'm writing a Roman figure. IX is 9. IX is 9 and 2024 is MM what? Let me check this. The boy no notebook. We have SSIV. This month I don't remember. SS IV. So 3rd August, 3rd September 2024. Alright, instead of importing another font, I broaden this one to make it sit well, and then I decrease by size. Position it the way I want. Alright. I think we are done with this design, and that is that for this design. So if you know you watched to this extent, please do what to like, comment, share this video to at least 5 people, and turn on the notification bell for this video if you have subscribed. All right, thank you for watching and God bless you.